Bling! Uh-huh.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to Daily Doodles for Kids. And this is our very first Daily Doodle, so thank you very much for being here. And before we start drawing, we have our question of the day, which is, have you ever played the Nintendo Switch before? So we're going to start by drawing a square, but instead of having pointed edges, it is going to have rounded edges. Almost like a marshmallow. Okay. So we got rounded edges, see? And feel free to pause the video or go back if you need to. That's totally fine. No rush. All right, so the Nintendo Switch has 3 different parts. It's got a blue part here, and a black part here in the middle, and a red part here on the other side. So we're gonna divide that up. We're gonna split it up. We're gonna put a line down here. It's not quite the middle, and a line on the other side. Okay, and now we're gonna put a little circle here. Yep, and then we're gonna put 4 smaller circles right here. One here, and then give it a little space and put one on top of that one. And then we're gonna put one right here and one right here. Okay, and there's a little one right here too. All right, and now over on this side, okay, so we've got one, and then one below that one to the side, and one to the other side. And the Switch also has a little circle thing right here. Okay, now we also have a bigger circle about the same size as this one right here. Okay, and below that, but not in the middle, more so to this side right here, we're gonna do another little circle. Okay, the Nintendo Switch has a lot of circles. I didn't realize that. Now we're almost done our drawing. We've got to put the 2 handles here on the side. So this is almost like the shape of a teardrop. We're gonna start here at this rounded edge and carefully draw down, 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 down. And it's gonna go out a little further than right here, at the edge here of this rounded square. Okay, and we're going to do the exact same on the other side. Now, mine are actually a little bit longer than the Switch handles, but that's okay. And guess what? Now it's time to add some color. I am going to use some Crayola markers, and the colors we need are red and black, and we're going to need a blue. All right, so we only need 3 colors for this. I'm going to outline everything with my black marker, and then color it in with my black, and then color in my blue and my red. Okay, so I'm gonna color in the black parts. It looks like my black marker is running out of ink. Uh-oh. But that's okay. We'll see how much ink we've got in it. We'll try to make it work. All right, so this marker is done for. But I've got another one that's pretty dark, so I'll go over some of those spots with this marker and it'll look nice and dark. Perfect. Hopefully your marker doesn't run out of ink. Now you can also use crayons or coloring pencils. It's up to you. Whatever you have lying around. Time for the blue. And now time for the red. I think the red I picked kinda has a real orange color to it. But that's okay. Your Nintendo Switch can be whatever color you want it to be. And there we go. So, thank you so much for joining me. Please let me know, leave a comment below what you'd like to see me draw next. Or if there's anything that you want to know how to draw, I could draw it and teach you how to draw it too. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day and have fun drawing. Until next time, goodbye.